Welcome back to another PowerShell video. Today we're going to be looking at text boxes, how to add them to a form. The next set of videos we're going to be looking at adding different components to the form such as checkboxes, combo boxes and radio buttons, and then we'll talk about events after that. I'll have a little bit of a recap over what we did last time. Last time we created a button with a form on it, like so. When we clicked it, we got a message saying hello world. We'll just have a quick look at the code for that. We have a function here called load form, adding all the form components so you can see that it's creating the form, it's setting the size, it's setting the style, it's turning the maximize box off, setting the icon, the text, the color and the start position, and then we've got the button, so creating the button, and again the size, the location, the text and the back color. We've got a click event here called runMe, and as you can see at the top there's a function called runMe just with a message box within that saying hello world. So very simple stuff. So now we're going to get straight on to how would we add a text box to our form. So you'd want a text box to display information. I'm just going to press the play button on here. So this is our text info, so it's the text box that we're showing here, and you can see here it's saying hello geeks. It's just a text box on a form. So how did we do that? We've got the main form that we've created. We won't go into that, we've just been through it. It's exactly the same. We've got an output box here that we're creating as a new text box. So it's new object text box. Setting multiline to equal true, so you can scroll up and down. Saying that the scroll bars are vertical. And again, we're setting the size and the location of the back color, and then we're adding it to the form. So it's crucial that you do this bit, because if you don't add it to the form, it won't appear. You could create everything, and then if you don't do that final step, it won't appear. We're also going to set the font here. So we're setting a normal font to equal a new font, giving it the properties that it needs, like the size and whether it's regular or bold, and then we're assigning that to the font. And then, of course, we need some text in it. So we're just putting hello geeks, displaying the main form there. So it's as simple as that. You can actually type in there, but it's not storing it anywhere. You can read back out of that and store it in, but that's for another time. Anyway, on to the next one.